we are going to see how to hire any kind of best freelancers for your online service from $5. So just for $5, you can hire any kind of best freelancers. It can be developers or writers, design makers, whoever it is, each and every type of freelancers available in this website. So you can hire any kind of freelancers. Here there are some advantages of that. It's a number one trusted online freelance platform, most budget friendly platform. There are no hourly rates, no hidden fees, and 100% safe payment system, 24/7 customer support, very secure and private communication channels. It's a trusted platform, so you don't need to worry about anything. First, you need to know what are the type of freelancers are available. You want to know that, right? Yeah. Here you can see there are multiple type of freelancers are available: graphics and design, digital marketing, writing, video and animation, music and audio, programming or developers, data type like database and the other data science, business, lifestyle. In the graphic and design, logo design, visual, web and mobile, print. For each and every type of online services, you can hire the freelancers here. Digital marketing, either you need a Photoshop editing expert or video editing expert or developer. If you have any other developing related item query, you can contact these kind of freelancers. So let me show you how we can access this website. For that, I have provided the link in my video description. So just click on the link and navigate to this web page. Once you click on the link, it will navigate to this web page. Here, just you need to type whatever you want. Like, if you want to hire any kind of Java developer, just type Java developer. Then press enter. And also here you can select the option. When do you need the delivery? It's a quick delivery or it can take much time. So just based on your selection, it will work. Here already I have clicked on search for appearance. It's showing the results for Java developers. Here you can see 392 starting price 392. I'll develop your custom Java web applications. He can help you, as well as multiple freelancers are available. So many type of freelancers, they're doing multiple jobs: graphics and design, Photoshop editing. Let me click on the Photoshop editing, and we have multiple filters like service options. You can select whatever the service options you want: background removal or retouching, and the seller details: top rated seller, level 2, level 1, level 3. Like this you can select. And budget, what is your minimum budget? You can set any of your minimum maximum budget. Delivery time, it's express delivery or up to 3 days. It may not I guess it will not change the cost. So once you have selected, if you want to contact the seller before purchasing before placing your order, if you want to contact your seller, it's possible. Here we have that option, contact seller. As well as you can see their previous works. Here they have listed their previous work, so you can see, like I'm looking for the Photoshop design, so I can see all the designs what they have done. I can see. Now I want to contact my seller before place my order. I want to contact the seller. Yes, it's possible in this website. So you can contact your seller. Just type your message, like whenever you have that particular requirement, you wanted to know whether the seller can able to complete that requirement. At that time, you can send out an email message to the particular seller. At this website only providing this feature, contacting seller before that purchase. So you can contact that seller before that. As well as lot of features are available. It's a completely you need to pay only $392. There is no hidden fees. It's a one-time fee. They will not charge more than that, and they will charge only for service fee. for their service. Video and animation, if you want to hire chatbot expert, mobile apps expert, desktop application, game development, wordpress developer, anyone you can download it, as well as you can type anything like web traffic. Already I have down hired few people for web traffic for my website. Here someone is someone price is very high, 7837. We don't want this, we can go with the minimum budget 392, 1960 or 784. My budget, always my budget should be 392 only. I'll go for 392. Even these are all the same one. When I click on that one, it will open up that same windows, their previous experience, what are all the jobs they have done previously, as well as contact seller option, and about their previous experience listed, key features, their service, the service details, all the details are mentioned here, and the rating, reviews as well as rating, all the details are mentioned. Bottom, 5-star rating, 45,000 they got. Oh my god, 45,000 5-star ratings and 1980 4-star rating. It's really great. Overall rating 4.9, as well as you can see some of the reviews. Like this, you can after that you can click on continue to purchase the freelancer. You can hire this way. You can contact. Once you have completed the purchase, you will receive the message like your order has been completed. Then you can provide the description and the other details. Whatever the details you want, you can communicate with our freelancers. It's a very simple process. For that, I'll provide my this website link in the video description. Just click on the link and navigate to this web page. Next, just search whatever you want. You can search and go to that particular website. It's very simple process. Just type and go to that website.